Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, we are from class 12 Computer and Network Engineering. We'll present a presentation about software installation.
Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Agung Fadlan as a leader from this group.
My name is Galang Satya as a moderator from this group.
Hello, my name is Alief Dirmansyah as a material carrier.
My name is Revan Rizadi as a data collector.
And my name is Dwi Apriono as a editor.
Okay, now, as the moderator, I will take over this segment. Now, according to the title, we will present a presentation about software installation. Next, I leave it to Alief Dirmansyah.
SMK in Santa Zaka was established on June 9 according to the date of establishment. SMK in Santa Zaka is located in Street Haji Juanda Engineer, number 27 Sukasari, Kota Baru Karawang, zip code 41374. Geographically, in Santa Zaka Vocational High School is framed by 4 districts, namely west of Cikampek Sub-District, south of Bungosari Sub-District, east of Jatisari Sub-District, north of Tirtamulia District.
Time and place implementation at Santa Zaka Vocational School Industrial Work Practice is held at the time of the implementation of Prakrin from 30 July to 7 November 2019. Schedule of Industrial Work Practice training activities starting for Monday to Friday. Implementation time start from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Break time from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. especially Friday breaks early at 11 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Tools and materials. Computers. The computer consists of several components, namely, number 1, monitor, are used to produce image from the CPU. Number 2, CPU, are used to turn on the computer. Number 3, mouse, are used to direct the pointer that appears on the monitor screen. Number 4, keyboard, are used to type what you want to type. Internet, are used to make it easy for you to download files or open a web. LAN cable, are used to connect the internet to the computer that will be used to download files. Electric socket, are used to connect the electric socket to the computer for use.
Next is a flowchart.
First step is to turn on the computer. Next, connect the computer to the internet. Make sure the computer is connected to the internet. If not, unplug and then reconnect the LAN cable until it sounds. If yes, open a Google Chrome and then look for the software you want to download. If it has been downloaded, open the File Explorer, then select Download and look for the software that was downloaded. If the software you download is in the form of WinRAR, click Extract here first. If it is not in the form of WinRAR, it doesn't have to be extracted. After that, just right-click on the mouse, then click Open and just install the software, then wait until it finally be open and finished.
Okay, that's the presentation report about software installation from our group. We close.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.